Sprout me! Want to grow your own beets? Good news! It's super easy and they're delicious. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick your variety. Classic red beets, golden beets, fancy striped chiaja, totally up to you. Golden beets are sweeter, and chiaja beets look cool in salads. Step 2. Timing is everything. Beets love cool weather, so plant in early spring or late summer. If you plant too early, the seeds might not sprout. Too late, they might struggle in the heat. The sweet spot? Soil between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 3. Prep the soil. Beets need loose, well-draining soil, so break up any clumps and get rid of rocks, unless you want weird, lumpy beets. Add compost, but don't go crazy with nitrogen unless you're really into growing beet leaves instead of beet roots. Step 4. Plant those seeds. Soak your seeds for a few hours to speed up germination. Then plant them about ½ inch deep and 1 inch apart. Since beet seeds are actually clusters of multiple seeds, you'll need to thin them once they sprout. It might feel weird pulling out tiny seedlings, but trust me, your beets will thank you later. Step fodder and care. Beets like consistent moisture, so give them about 1 inch of water per week. Add mulch to keep the soil cool and prevent weeds from taking over. If your beet leaves start looking sad or pale, they might need a little boost. Side dress with compost or a low nitrogen fertilizer. Step 6. Watch out for pests. Aphids, flea beetles, and leaf miners love beets too. If you spot tiny holes in the leaves, that's your sign. Use row covers or neem oil to keep them under control. Step 7. Harvest time. In about 50 to 70 days, your beets will be ready. Look for roots about 1.5 to 3 inches wide. Too small? Give them more time. Too big? They might be a little tough, but still totally edible. Just grab the tops and pull them up. Bonus tip, don't waste the greens. Beet greens are packed with nutrients and taste amazing, sautéed, tossed in a salad, or blended into a smoothie. Step 8. To store, cut off the tops, leave about 1 inch of stem, then keep the roots in the fridge or a cool, dark place. They'll last for weeks. You can also pickle, can, or freeze them for later. And that's it! You're officially a beet growing pro. So grab some seeds, get planting, and enjoy your homegrown harvest. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Sprout Me for more gardening tips. Let's grow together.